Oh my God, nakakatakot din.
This man.
Arrived.
Somebody got stuck there. May stuck tayo dito. You got stopping there?
No, I guess not. They're parking, so we can
We
go.
cannot park there.
Oh my God, nakakatakot.
Like your glasses, bro. Hollywood, huh?
Tandaan ka din, ha? Oh my God.
Take that one from the back. One of you guys take going down. Take one from the back. Sa likod. Yan po natin.
Ang dati dito, ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Tingnan mo mga bahay
Di ba makita
dito.
sa likod eh?
Tara daw, kita ko. Aray ko.
We're tourists, San Francisco boy. And there's a main girl here. From Visayas.
Alalala.
Akala nila hindi natin na-reach ang tunon ko na crooked street in the world, ha? Oo, ito na.